Ever wish you had a super smart assistant who could brainstorm, draft, and even play devil's advocate without needing a coffee break? Well, dear managers, meet your new best friend, ChatGPT. We're diving into how this AI marvel isn't just a techie toy, but your ultimate co-pilot for cultivating more effective, engaged, and downright awesome teams. Now let's dive into the AI co-pilot for managers, your RCTFC playbook. Alright team, let's kick things off by busting a myth. ChatGPT isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. Think of it as your brainy, always available co-pilot, ready to tackle tasks that usually eat up your valuable coffee break time. From crafting killer communication to brainstorming strategic solutions, this AI can supercharge your leadership. But like any powerful tool, it performs best when given clear, specific instructions. That's where our secret sauce, the RCTFC framework, comes in. It's your personal GPS for guiding the AI to exactly what you need, ensuring your prompts are as effective as your morning coffee. Get ready to transform how you lead. Before we dive into our hands-on labs, let's get you acquainted with RCTFC: role, context, task, format, and constraints. This isn't just a catchy acronym. It's the blueprint for unlocking ChatGPT's full potential. Role tells the AI who it should pretend to be, e.g., you are an HR manager. Text. Context provides background info. Our team is struggling with deadlines. Task states exactly what you want it to do. Brainstorm 3 strategies. Format dictates how the output should look. Provide strategies as bullet points. Constraints sets limits or specific requirements. Focus on team-level changes. See how each part guides the AI, like a brilliant director guiding an actor? It helps the AI understand your intent and deliver exactly what you need. Now, you're ready to build your own masterful prompts. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. So why does using the RCTFC framework make such a difference? Because it transforms vague requests into crystal clear directives. When you specify a role, the AI adopts that persona, infusing its response with relevant expertise and tone. Providing context eliminates guesswork, ensuring the AI's suggestions are tailored to your unique situation. A precise task means you get exactly what you asked for, not a generic ramble. And with clear format and constraints, the output is not only accurate, but also immediately usable, saving you precious editing time. It's like giving the AI a custom-fitted suit of instructions, guaranteeing a perfect fit every time. This precision is your secret weapon for consistently high-quality results. By understanding and applying RCTFC, you're not just using ChatGPT, you're masterfully engineering its responses. This isn't about rote memorization. It's about thoughtful communication with your AI co-pilot. Now let's dive into streamlining communication feedback with AI. Communication is the heartbeat of any effective team, but let's be honest, drafting that just right announcement or delivering sensitive feedback can feel like walking a tightrope. One wrong word, and suddenly you're dealing with confusion or demotivation. This is where ChatGPT shines as your communication guru. It can help you find the perfect tone, articulate complex ideas simply, and ensure your message lands with clarity and empathy. Imagine crafting an update that genuinely motivates, or feedback that truly fosters growth, all while saving you precious time. It's about being understood, not just heard, and ChatGPT is ready to lend its linguistic finesse. For our first hands-on lab, we're tackling a common management conundrum: sensitive policy changes. This prompt asks ChatGPT to act as an empathetic team lead, setting the perfect tone. The context clearly explains the situation and potential team concerns, guiding the AI to address them proactively. The task is straightforward: draft a policy announcement. We've specified an email body-friendly tone for the format, and crucially, the constraints ensure the message is max 150 words and sounds supportive, not just a robotic directive. This structure helps ChatGPT understand the human element behind the request, making your communication both effective and compassionate. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. The magic here lies in how the explicit role and context allowed the AI to truly embody empathy. By specifying empathetic team lead and outlining potential team resistance, you nudged ChatGPT to infuse the message with understanding and reassurance, rather than just stating a rule. The format ensures it's ready to copy-paste, and the constraints of tone and word count make it efficient and impactful. This isn't just about speed, it's about crafting communications that resonate, that anticipate concerns, and that build trust, not just compliance. When you guide the AI with such precision, you get an output that feels human, even though it was crafted by a machine. Brilliant, right? AI as a communication strategist helps you deliver messages that are not just clear, but also connect emotionally and drive positive action. Now let's dive into boosting team development engagement with AI. Ever feel like you're playing a never-ending game of what motivates them now? When it comes to team engagement and development, fear not, for ChatGPT is here to inject some serious creativity into your managerial toolkit. From brainstorming personalized professional development paths to conjuring up fresh, exciting team-building activities that actually get people excited, yes, really, your AI co-pilot can be a fountain of innovative ideas. It's about moving beyond generic solutions and finding what truly resonates with your unique team, helping them grow, bond, and ultimately thrive. Get ready to ditch the dull and embrace the dynamic. All right, for our next challenge, let's inject some fun into remote work. This prompt tasks ChatGPT to be a creative team culture strategist, giving it the license to think outside the box. The context is crucial here, detailing the remote setup, time zone spread, and, crucially, mentioning the past clunky escape room experience. This helps the AI avoid similar pitfalls. Our task is clear. Generate 5 unique virtual team-building activity ideas. The format asks for specific details like required tools and estimated time, making the output actionable. Finally, the constraints ensure the ideas are low cost, less than 60 minutes, and focus on casual interaction. This guides the AI to practical, engaging solutions. Now, it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. Isn't it amazing how specific details in your prompt can unlock such targeted creativity? By establishing the role as a creative team culture strategist and providing the detailed context about past failures and team demographics, you gave ChatGPT the precise ingredients to cook up genuinely novel ideas. The constraints on cost, time, and interaction style ensured the suggestions were not just creative, but also practical and aligned with your team's real needs. Instead of generic suggestions, you got activities designed for a distributed, low-key group, which is far more valuable. This demonstrates how a well-crafted prompt can transform a daunting brainstorming session into a swift, insightful one, giving you back precious mental energy. AI isn't just for tasks. It's a partner in fostering growth and genuine connection within your team. Now let's dive into strategic planning problem-solving with AI. As a manager, you're constantly juggling decisions, from big strategic shifts to tackling persistent operational snags. Sometimes, you just need a fresh perspective, a devil's advocate, or even a sanity check before you commit. Enter ChatGPT, your on-demand strategic thought partner. It can help you dissect complex problems, brainstorm a multitude of solutions, and even assist in identifying potential risks, all within minutes. This isn't about letting AI make your decisions for you. It's about expanding your own thinking, challenging assumptions, and approaching challenges with a more comprehensive, informed viewpoint. Get ready to elevate your decision-making game. For our final lab, let's tackle a classic operational headache: process compliance. This prompt positions ChatGPT as an operations consultant specializing in workflow optimization, immediately setting a problem-solving mindset. The context is rich with details: team size, specific problem, missing CRM updates, team's complaint, clunky, and the negative impact, inaccurate reports, forecasting. This helps the A. I understand the nuances. Our task is precise. Propose 4 practical solutions. We've asked for a numbered list with implementation step and potential benefit in the format, making the output directly useful. Finally, the constraints of implementable within 2 weeks and focusing on process or training ensure the solutions are actionable and realistic. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. The brilliance of this prompt lies in how the specific role of operations consultant, combined with the detailed context, allowed the AI to zero in on operational inefficiencies with precision. By telling it the team's complaints and the impact, you empowered ChatGPT to consider both the technical and human aspects of the problem. The constraints were particularly powerful here, forcing the AI to generate practical, quick-win solutions focused on process and training, not just pie-in-the-sky ideas. This demonstrates how you can use ChatGPT not just for brainstorming, but for strategic, actionable problem-solving, turning frustration into efficiency. It's like having a dedicated analyst at your fingertips, ready to help you untangle any knot. AI augments your strategic thinking, providing diverse perspectives and innovative solutions to complex problems. ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's an extension of your leadership, designed to make you a more effective, empathetic, and innovative manager. Embrace it, experiment with it, and watch your teams flourish. Wow, what a journey! We've unpacked how ChatGPT isn't just a fancy chatbot, but your ultimate sidekick for leading more effective teams. From mastering the magical RCTFC framework, role, context, task, format, constraints, to leveraging AI for crystal-clear communication, fostering genuine team engagement, and even tackling those thorny strategic problems, you've seen the power firsthand. Remember, this isn't about handing over your leadership reins. It's about amplifying your human touch, saving time, and unlocking new levels of creativity and efficiency. You're not just managing better, you're leading smarter, with a witty, always-on AI partner right by your side. Go forth and revolutionize your leadership, one brilliant prompt at a time. Before you zoom off to conquer your next management challenge, remember to hit subscribe and share these game-changing labs and guides with your fellow leaders. Got questions or a brilliant ChatGPT success story? Drop them in the comments or reach out using the contact info in your lab guide. Now tell me, what's the first team challenge you're excited to tackle with your new